If the admin wants to check out the overview of calendar, they can do that by going to the calendar analytics page. Once they click on that, here you can see that there are different filters that are present. The date range filter, then we have the filter model, which contains servers, students, tutors, parents, all of these filter types. Then we have the event status, based on which the admin can filter out the details. Then we have the student, based on the selected student, the tables can be filtered out. Then based on the selected tutors. Now here, the admin would be able to see all the sessions, all the events that have been scheduled, which have been completed, which have been cancelled, and then the sessions which are no show. And then the admin would also be able to look at the projected revenue and the completed revenue that is there, if there are any leaked revenues, and what was the projected cost. And then below we have a table where there is a list of all the sessions that have been created and the statuses of those sessions. So this page essentially gives an overview of all the analytics of calendar. So the admin can come to calendar analytics anytime and look at the overview of all these.